In this video, I'll show you how to get Shopify's 3 months free trial, which is currently the best deal being offered by Shopify. The first step is to open the first link down below in the description, and it will directly take you to this page. As you can see, you can sign up for a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month on select plans. So typically the deal only lasts for 1 month, but with this, you're able to get 3 full months of Shopify for just $1 a month, which is an amazing deal. So you just need to enter your email address here and click on Start Free Trial. Create a password, and then click on Create Shopify Account. So next, you will just need to provide some information for Shopify to set up your account. And don't worry about getting everything perfect because all the information can be changed later. So here we have where would you like to sell. So I'm going to select an online store, click Next. I'm just starting out. What do you sell? So I'm going to say products I buy or make myself, as well as print-on-demand products. Get started. So next you would just need to choose a plan so you can lock in for the 3 months. And you can also cancel or change your plans anytime. And if you want to see the different plans details, we can click here and you'll be able to see all the plan details. If you're just starting out, I would recommend you to go with the basic plan because you can always start with this and then upgrade your plan as you grow. So we are going to select Try Basic. So next you would just need to enter your credit or debit card information, or if you prefer to pay by PayPal, you can click here. And once you're done, you can click on subscribe for $1. And then you'll be taken to the Shopify's dashboard. And this is how you can get a Shopify 3 months trial. And if you want to see a more detailed step-by-step instructions on how to set up your Shopify store, you can check out the next video.